Imagine this. It's a Saturday afternoon. The sun is streaming through your window and everything feels peaceful. You're at home, maybe lounging on the couch, enjoying a rare moment of calm in your busy week. You're scrolling through your phone, maybe checking social media, ordering food, or texting a friend to make plans for the evening. Notifications pop up, and you feel connected to the world, just like any other day. Suddenly, without warning, the signal bars at the top of your screen vanish. No service. Your phone, usually your lifeline, is now eerily silent. You assume it's a minor glitch. Maybe your phone just needs a quick reset. You toggle airplane mode, restart your device, and even move around the room searching for a signal. But nothing changes. The silence persists, and a strange sense of isolation starts to settle in. That familiar connection to the digital world is gone. Unease creeps in, and you start to wonder if something bigger is happening. This isn't just a dropped call or a temporary outage. It's the first sign that something is deeply wrong, something you never expected. While you're busy troubleshooting, somewhere else, a hacker is celebrating. They've just hijacked your digital lifeline, gaining access to your most personal information. Your phone number, the key that unlocks nearly every important account you own, is no longer yours. In a matter of minutes, your identity is slipping out of your hands. The silence you're experiencing isn't just technical. It's the sound of a thief breaking into your digital home, moving quietly while you remain unaware. They didn't need to break in physically. Instead, they used clever tricks and social engineering to convince your mobile provider to hand them the keys to your digital life. Now, every call, every text, every password reset code meant for you is rerouted to them. Your digital presence is being taken over, one message at a time. You're locked out, they're in. And you don't even realize that a race to reclaim your identity has already begun. The stakes are higher than you think. The silence is their cover. In that quiet, your digital world is being rewritten, and you're left in the dark. A SIM swapping, also called SIM jacking, is a digital heist that's become increasingly common in our hyper-connected world. It's a sophisticated scam that targets something most of us use every day, our mobile phone number. The goal is simple but dangerous. Transfer your phone number to a SIM card controlled by a hacker, without you even realizing it's happening. Suddenly, your SIM is deactivated, your phone loses service, and you're left wondering what went wrong. But behind the scenes, your digital accounts are now at serious risk. The hacker doesn't need your physical phone, just the authority and access tied to your number. With that, they can unlock a world of sensitive information. In 2025, your phone number acts as a master key. It unlocks your email, social media, bank accounts, and so much more. It's the gateway to your digital identity. Two-factor authentication codes, password resets, and security alerts all get sent to your number. If someone else controls it, they can intercept these codes and break into your accounts with ease. When a hacker takes over your number, they essentially take over your digital life. They can lock you out, reset your passwords, and access everything you've stored online. They can read your private messages, browse your photos, impersonate you to friends and family, and even steal your identity for financial gain or fraud. SIM swapping exploits a critical weakness, the trust we place in mobile carriers to protect our numbers and our identities. Hackers don't need to break complex encryption or hack your phone directly. They simply trick people into giving them access. They target customer service representatives, using clever social engineering tactics to convince them to make the switch, often pretending to be you. Sometimes they even bribe insiders or exploit outdated security protocols that haven't kept up with modern threats. It's a simple plan, but the consequences can be devastating, leaving victims locked out, financially drained, and struggling to reclaim their digital lives. The attack starts with information gathering. Hackers scour the internet for your personal details: name, birth date, address, even social security digits. They build a profile to impersonate you. Next, they call your carrier, pretending to be you, claiming a lost or stolen phone. Using your data, they answer security questions and sound convincing. If that fails, they might bribe an insider or use phishing to get your account PIN. Once the carrier is convinced, your SIM is deactivated and theirs is activated. Your phone goes dead. The hacker immediately requests password resets for your email, bank, and crypto accounts. All security codes are sent to their device. Within minutes, you're locked out of your digital life. The takeover is complete. Today's SIM swappers use a powerful toolkit. Phishing kits mimic official messages from your carrier or bank, tricking you into revealing sensitive info. AI-powered kits adapt to bypass spam filters and look more convincing. Some hackers exploit flaws in the SS7 protocol, intercepting texts and calls without swapping SIMs. Dark web services now rent out SS7 access, making this easier than ever. IMSI catchers or stingrays mimic cell towers to intercept your communications. Once reserved for law enforcement, these devices are now cheap and portable, targeting you in public places. The dark web is the backbone, selling stolen data, phishing kits, and insider access. SIM swapping has evolved from a niche hack to a global criminal enterprise. The tools are cheap, effective, and widely available. The threat is everywhere. SIM swap victims are real, and the consequences are severe. For many, it starts with a simple text or a sudden loss of cell service, but the aftermath can be life-altering. Imagine waking up to find your digital identity stolen, your accounts drained, and your private information in the hands of strangers. A New York teenager and his group, The Community, SIM swapped dozens to steal rare social media handles. These weren't just random attacks. They targeted people with unique usernames, sometimes selling them for thousands of dollars on underground markets. It wasn't just about money, it was about status. Owning a coveted handle meant power and influence online, and for these hackers, that was just as valuable as cash. Cryptocurrency investors have lost millions. With just a few clicks, hackers can bypass two-factor authentication, empty digital wallets, and leave victims with nothing but regret. Michael Turpin lost $24 million in crypto after being SIM swapped twice, despite extra precautions. He thought he was protected, but the attackers were relentless, exploiting even the smallest vulnerabilities. Even tech leaders aren't safe. High-profile executives who understand digital security better than most have still fallen victim to these attacks. Jack Dorsey, former Twitter CEO, had his account hijacked via SIM swap, leading to public embarrassment. His followers watched as hackers posted offensive messages from his account, showing just how vulnerable even the most powerful can be. The common thread? Victims were tech-savvy, wealthy, or famous, but their security relied on a phone number and a customer service agent. All it took was a convincing call to customer support, and the attackers were in. Hackers didn't need to break encryption, just sound convincing. Social engineering, not technical skill, is often the real weapon in these crimes. These stories prove SIM swapping is one of the most invasive threats today. It bypasses passwords, security apps, and even biometric locks, striking at the very core of our digital lives. Anyone can be a target. From teenagers to CEOs, no one is truly safe if their phone number is the key to their digital world. The damage is real. Financial loss, reputation ruined, privacy shattered. Victims often spend months, even years, trying to recover what was taken from them. It's not just a cautionary tale, it's a warning. The threat is growing and the methods are evolving every day. If it can happen to them, it can happen to you. No one is immune. Protect your digital life, because sometimes a single phone call is all it takes to lose everything. We were told two-factor authentication via SMS was secure. The reality? SMS was never designed for security. Messages are sent in plain text, vulnerable to interception by hackers with the right tools. SIM swapping destroys the something you have factor, because now the hacker has it. Security codes meant to protect you are delivered straight to the attacker. SMS-based two-factor authentication doesn't just fail, it helps the hacker. Experts in 2025 urge everyone to move away from SMS codes. Better alternatives exist: authenticator apps and physical security keys. Using SMS for security is like locking your door but leaving the key outside. It's a false sense of safety. The risk is catastrophic. Convenience isn't worth losing everything. You're not helpless. There are ways to protect yourself. First, contact your carrier and add a port freeze or number lock to your account. Set a unique, complex PIN for your mobile account. Don't reuse passwords. Move away from SMS-based two-factor authentication. Use authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. For critical accounts, use a physical security key. Limit the personal info you share online. Set social media to private. Remove your phone number and address. Be wary of online quizzes or surveys that ask for personal details. If your phone suddenly loses service, act fast. Contact your carrier from another phone and report a SIM swap. Simultaneously, change passwords on your most important accounts. Speed is crucial. The faster you act, the less damage a hacker can do. Prepare now, not after you're targeted. Being proactive is your best defense. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Mobile carriers are the gatekeepers of our digital lives. In 2025, have they improved security? Somewhat. Most now offer number locks and port freezes and train staff to spot social engineering. But these protections often require you to opt in. They're not default. High call center turnover means new employees are vulnerable to manipulation. Insider threats remain a problem. A single bribe can bypass all protocols. Carriers balance convenience with security, but that tension leaves gaps. Until they're held fully accountable for losses, progress will be slow. Improvements are happening, but the system is still far from secure. The war against SIM swapping is ongoing. A seeing no service is the digital equivalent of finding your front door wide open. In 2025, your phone number is the key to your digital life. Bank, email, photos, reputation. Losing it is catastrophic. Hackers are organized, motivated, and armed with cheap, effective tools. The data they need is everywhere thanks to years of breaches. Protection is your responsibility. Don't assume your carrier will save you. Set up a carrier PIN, ditch SMS authentication, use authenticator apps and security keys, and clean up your online presence. Treat your phone number as your most valuable digital asset. Those signal bars represent a fragile connection. Don't take them for granted. Act now. Lock down your accounts, upgrade your security, and stay vigilant. Don't wait for the silence. In today's world, losing your signal could mean losing everything.